our first production systems in here for the 3rd Gen Tacoma. Got this one test fitted up right here. Going under here, we've made a pretty unique design with our exhaust. So with our design here, we've gone with a dual 2.5 inch, connects right up to the end of the factory headers with the collector into a full 3-inch system. This version is our quieter version with the larger resonator, and then moves on back here. We got plenty of extra clearance around the axle, so no contact should be made around there. This is our optional single tip design. We also have a high clearance option that sits inboard of the leaf spring here. Gives you plenty of clearance for any kind of aftermarket leafs or you know, larger spare tire even. But most importantly, keep that rear clearance